What's up, YouTube? Mini truckers, everyone else, Ben here. We got a good one for you today. I've got a little jump starter pack, the Spanarci. They sent it over for review. We gotta check it out. We're gonna do a little unboxing, then go outside and review it. One of the things when I'm doing these, battery jump boxes is how easy they are to use. And now I've reviewed about 6 or 7 of them. As they progressed, is like what features am I looking for. One of the things I don't really like is when they put a DC charger, so you got to actually like carry it around, plug it into the wall. So now I've lost that DC charger. It's combined with all my son's toys and chargers, and I don't know where these chargers are. So I like the ones with the Type C input, and or some sort of USB type thing. That's what we're going to look at. The other thing, this one is the jump starter Spanarci, and at first it actually doesn't have a little box, but I have like some that are in black boxes, and people are like, well, where's the jump starter? You're like, it's in that black box, and it looks like every other black toolbox that's like a plastic case. So this one would be cool because if you had it up on a shelf, something like this from afar, you're just like, go in the garage and get the box that says jump starter. And so somebody could do that, and then we'll open this bad boy up and see what's cracking. Let's see, I'm gonna get in there. Okay, so let me see if it actually opens like this. So you got a little rubber ring, and then the jump starter, never say never, maybe that's some sort of instructions, and then the actual plugs, and then it looks like couple charging things. They don't actually include any charger, but I kind of like that. So even if they save you a couple bucks, you can just use any other phone charger or something that you've got sitting around. So we're gonna use basically this part, and let's see if this thing will turn on or not. So you got to hold the button down. This one's got the headlight, a dimmer, flash, and then a strobe pattern, and then an off. One of the things I like about this one, and if you have a completely dead battery, a lot of the chargers won't detect it. Even this one. So if it's below 8 volts, it's just going to kind of give you a fault. And so if you hold these buttons for 3 seconds together, there's like a bypass. You can hear it click and the circuit open, and then we'll just turn it off. But that is a pretty cool feature. Even if you don't get this one, it's definitely something worth buying. I would only get that style if I were to get a new one. So, USB charger in, and then can it charge or get on a completely dead battery? Because if it doesn't, then what's the point? You're still going to be stranded. So, and then the input and the output. So like I said, you've got the input is now going to just that Type C USB, and then it does have a USB out. So the other cool thing with these is they double for a battery jump box. So if you had it in your car and you got stranded on the highway or something, you could use it for a cell phone charger, and that sort of thing works good. This one is actually backlit, and then has this little power meter, and then over here it says jumper cable, and there's only one way to put this. It's a little bit interesting design because all the other ones I've seen with this end attached to the unit, and then this is what is attached to the jump starter. So they reversed it, and this is how you would use that. I'm not sure if it's better or worse or stronger. It's just something I've observed. It does look like these are pretty decent quality. I'm not sure if that's brass. It looks like it's tin coated brass, if it is, or copper, because it's not like a copper color, but sometimes they'll, I think, coat it so it doesn't get corroded. So that's 8 gauge. We're gonna go out, jump start the little Corolla. It's been sitting out there, and we'll go out in the snow. You'll see it's pretty treacherous, but this will be a good one. All right, we're outside. It's nice and beautiful weather here. We're gonna give you a little tour.
Yeah.
Check it out. Here's the dude at the stop sign. We got a little problem. We're gonna jump start the Corolla. So we've all been here before. I got my son Stanley here to help me. I kind of scraped off a little bit of the hood. This is probably the hardest problem if you've got a jump starter. So you don't want to get too wet or slip and bump your head in the ice. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, Stanley's gonna help me and do the cranking. Let's go ahead and open that up. You hop in there and sit in there. And then we'll open the hood up. So if you just had one person, you would just connect the battery charger. I'm going to connect the battery charger and then let Stanley start it. Don't put the key in yet. And let's see what we can do over here. So fortunately the engine bay nice and dry. Here's our little prop for the hood. Okay, there we go. All right, so most modern batteries have a little red and a black, and there you can see our problem is corrosion. So we're gonna worry about that later. Oh my gosh, we're gonna worry about that later, but right now we need to get the thing started. So we're gonna hit our Spanarci and let's see what happens. Oh, we got some backlighting. I'm seeing one problem, it's hard to see the backlighting with the middle of the sun. Not yet, Bubba. It's saying green start. Let's see. Do we need to? Let me see what happens if my power is on. Yeah, so if the backlighting is on and you got a green light, that means it's ready to go. So see when I took it off, and we're looking for a green. We got the green. All right, go ahead. Just keep our fingers crossed. Anything? The suspense. Oh yeah. So it cost us 3%. We're gonna unhook that bad boy and this bad boy, and we'll shut this thing down. All right, what do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
Got us going, huh? So now you got to get this, probably get some battery terminal cleaner. But for now, we're going. And check out that Spanarci. You know, friends, relatives. I was thinking about getting it from my son's school teacher, and you know, that way it's a nice gift or that sort of thing. So hopefully this helps, and check it out on Amazon. I think they got a promotion. You can follow the link. We'll put the link down in the description. But did you slip?
Until then, yeah.
All right.
Until then, we'll see you later.
Adios.